Hey, welcome back to Foodie Rides and Techie Vibes. My name is Naveen. Hope you guys enjoyed the initial shots of my bike. Today, I'm here to find a solution for a big problem that everybody is facing with Himalayan and almost all the new bikes. That is the headlight. Most of our bikes nowadays do not have a good headlight, and we find it very difficult riding in the nights. So I've got a solution. I did a little bit of market research. I picked up an aux light. It's called as Maddog Scout X. We're going to unbox that, and then we're going to fix on this, and we're going to do a lighting test as well. Hi, it's been quite some time we did unboxing video. Today it's going to be a different product. I wanted aux lights for my Himalayan 450 because the headlamp is of no use in the city ride. People who own the bikes would know what I'm talking about. Nowadays, the headlamps are not that powerful like what we used to get before. So I decided to pick up an aux light. I did some of research in the market. There were cheaper ones, JCs and some third-party stuff. And we had Maddog, which was aptly priced, and we have the expensive one like Denli's. I wanted something that is durable. I wanted something that can be used for daily rides, and something that is not too expensive on the pocket. So I went with obvious choice, the Maddog, and it's an Indian brand. They do manufacture this locally in Bangalore as well. It comes with 18 months warranty, and this is the product. Here's the Maddog Scout X. There are two versions, Scout and Scout X. The main difference is Scout comes with 3 LEDs and this comes with 4 LEDs. In this box there are 2 lamps or 2 aux lights, each of 20 watts, so together they're 40 watt. 4800 luminance, a throw distance of 200 meters, and the best part is it's got 50% spotlight and 50% floodlight, so it would cover near and the far object as well. And it also has IP67 rating, so which is dust and water resistant. With unbox the Scout X. Maddog stickers. This is going on my top box. Lovely sticker. Warranty card. And remember I told you it's got 18 months warranty. So it's important you retain this. And the 2 auxiliary lights. Okay, Scout X written on it. It's got 4 LEDs. Remember I told you there's a difference between Scout and Scout X. This has got 4 LEDs and Scout has got 3 LEDs. So this is what has come in the box. Okay, next let's unbox the mounting brackets. Some screws, clamps with screws. These are the brackets. This is where the lights will sit on. And these are your clamps. There are 4 of them. So this is what came in the mounting box. Let's open the wire harness from Maddog. Okay, this is wire. This is connectors, 2 connectors to it. These are braided wires, so should be heat resistant and dust resistant. This is a fuse, and this is a relay. Let's unbox the Pro Switch or Switch Pro. This is the warranty card. Again, even this comes with 18 months warranty. This is the switch. I hope you're able to hear the click. This is the clamp to hold the switch, and finally the connector. Okay, these are the filters for the lamp. Okay, finally we unboxed everything. These are the absolute must required to go ahead and mount the lights onto your bike. Next stop, we're going to take these things to our garage and mount it on the bike. I'll see you there. We have finally come here to fix our Scout X on a Bumblebee. The name of the place is Motor Art Theory, and the phone number is on the screen. Turn on. Turn on, turn on. Okay, it's not complete darkness. There is light on the other side of the road, but I've just got my bike to a ground to test the brightness of the lights that we've installed. So first, let me start with the standard Himalayan lights. Okay, so this is the low beam, this is the high beam, low beam, high beam. Okay, now we're going to test the Maddogs. Okay, I hope you're able to see. This is Maddog on, the Scout X 20 watt, 40 watts total, 4,800 luminance together. This is Maddog on, Maddog off. Okay, now let's go for the HJGs. Okay, this is HJG. I can adjust the brightness. This is the least brightness that HJG can give, and I can increase to max. This is the max the HJG can give. Let me turn off the HJG. Let me turn on the Maddog. This is the Maddog brightness. This is the HJG brightness, and this is the full. You guys tell me which one is better. Definitely not this one. Okay, let me turn on the Maddog. Okay, this is good for the city. Alright, let me put the yellow caps on and show you how the yellow cap looks. I put the yellow filters on. I would like to use it this way in the city. Let me just turn on and show you how it looks. This is with the yellow filters on. This looks much better, and that's HJG just takes over the Maddog easily. Yeah, you can't compare, in sense that's about 60 watts if I'm not wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do hit like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you like it. Keep supporting Foodie Rides, Techie Vibes. This is your Naveen signing off. Until the next video, thank you all. Cheers.